Worried someone might access your Wise account? Enable two-factor authentication in under a minute and lock down your money. I will show you exactly where to click in your Wise settings to turn on two-step verification. It is just a few simple steps. All right, let us jump in. Now, I have already got two-factor authentication enabled on my own account, so I can show you exactly what to look for and what to expect. The first thing you need to do is head over to the Wise website and log in.
Once you are in, look up at the very top right corner of the page. See that little circle with your initial or your profile picture? Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear. You will see a few different options here, but the one we are looking for is called Security and Privacy. Click on that. So now you are on the Security and Privacy page. This is where all the important account protection stuff lives. Take a look down the list of settings, and you will see an option that says Two-Step Verification.
Go ahead and click on that. Now, here is where it gets interesting. For me, when I click on it, I can see that my two-step verification is already turned on. You can see the little toggle switch is green and it says on. So if yours looks the same, great. You are already protected and you can relax. But if it is gray and says off, then you will want to keep following along. Here is the really important part. To turn it on, you just click that toggle switch.
It might ask you to enter your Wise password again, just to confirm it is really you. That is a standard security step, so do not be alarmed. Once you click the toggle, it will prompt you to choose your verification method. You've got a couple of options here. You can use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, or you can use SMS text messages. In my experience, the Authenticator app is much more secure because it does not rely on your phone number. But if you prefer getting a text, that works too. Pick whichever one feels right for you. After you make your choice, just follow the on-screen prompts. If you chose the Authenticator app, it will show you a QR code. Open up your Authenticator app on your phone, scan that QR code, and it will add your Wise account automatically. Then you just type in the 6-digit code the app gives you. If you chose SMS, it will send a code to your phone and you type that in. And that is it. The setup is complete. Now, it is a good idea to test it really quick. Log out of your Wise account, then log back in. This time, after you enter your password, it should ask you for that code from your Authenticator app or your text message. Type it in and you are in. That means everything is working perfectly. So now, instead of worrying about someone getting into your account, you have got that extra layer of protection keeping your money safe. It took less than a minute, and now you have got serious peace of mind. Thanks for following along, and stay safe out there.